We're in the Kettering salon today. We've got a full-on day of education with Odette from Laces. That's our Joico colour distributor for the south, and the guys are super excited. We've got a load of models coming in who are going to need to be some lifted, some already blonde, so we're going to have some colour melts, some balayage and some colour placement just for a bit of fun and sort of fashion colours, and something the guys can have a little bit of a play but also come up with trends and that sort of thing. So in this video you're going to see everything that happens from today. We've got a load that's going on, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what they create at the end of this video. I'm sure you'll love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think to all the colours today. If you use Joico Intensities in your salon, let me know in the comments down below. And then if you're new, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below on all future video ideas that you have, but also about this video. So yeah, until next time, enjoy the video and we'll see you then.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, and it don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, and it don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance, you see. You don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my...
So today we've got the lovely Odette in, who is here. She's come up from Laces and she's going to be teaching and taking the guys through vivid colours today, Joico Intensities. You can see up there the guys are discussing what colour to take their models. We're going to have some balayage, some vivid overlays, some money pieces. We're going to be going pinks, some blues, some I think there's going to be some coppers as well. But yeah, this is a full training day in the salon today. We've closed both salons for the day and the team are going to be working their magic. I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, that is it. The training day is over. I just want to thank Odette and Laces for putting on such a really cool Intensities training day. The team really loved it. They've all headed off to the pub now to go and chill. A well-deserved drink after a really sort of crazy but fun day. All the looks, I'm sure you can agree from the video, were stunning, and they created amazing work. So yeah, if you've enjoyed seeing our behind the scenes of our training day and you want to see more of them, let us know in the comments. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you on the next video.